Hello once again mga ka-smiley. Here's another nutritious ulam in the Highlands. So here are the ingredients. I forgot to include the garlic and 2 onions to be exact. This pechay, Highland pechay, was from my potted plants of ka-smiley. So we will add a little water in the frying pan alongside with the meat, and we will let it dry until it brings out its own oil. This is what we call gisa, ginigisa at ilalabas ang sariling mantika. So there, open up. We still have some water, so we will have to be patient. Make the fire low para hindi masunog ang ating karne or the pork. Okay, so you can see now that the water has already evaporated. Wala na siyang tubig. So we shall continue stirring and covering the pots every now and then. So be patient. There, cover. And then again. So wala pa yung mantika. There's no oil yet, but we will continue doing that. As you can see, the oil is starting to come out. Nasisi in Ilocano. So that's what I always do with the meat. And my children and my husband loves it. Let us continue with the covering. And then there, you can see a lot of oil already. Do not forget to stir so that all the sides of the meat will at least turn brown. I forgot to capture how I was able to add the garlic and the onions and the tomato. So now you can see that the potato and carrots were already added. So it smells good. This is very yummy, and this is the favorite ulam of my children. Even my husband already loved this. Actually, he is from the lowlands and he is used to gulay in the lowlands, but when he tasted this, he already loved it. Stir. Then of course cover, and then after some time you add a cup of water. As I told you earlier in my former cooking videos, my family, my children are into soup, sabaw. Kaya I add another cup of sabaw. That would help bring out the yumminess of all those in the pan. Okay, let it boil. And let the potato and carrots soften. Yummy, yummy. Add salt. Pampalasa. If it's too much, then I will add another water para hindi masyadong maalat. And last shall be the pechay from my potted plants. I have already harvested a lot from my own potted plants, and it's very economical because I don't have to buy from the market. Add a little magic sarap to add magic to the already yummy taste of the gulay. So that's about it. Thank you very much. This has been Smiley Terry Kit saying mabuhay and woot woot.